Welcome back to my channel. Let's make this super easy Christmas ornament today. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe afterwards. Let's take the yarn and wrap it around the first 2 fingers. Or if you like the wide circle, then make it a little bigger. Here we did 7 times. Then put the crochet hook inside the circle and make 1 chain. Then make 1 more chain. So 2 chains in total, and these chains do not count as any stitch. Then yarn over, hook inside the circle, grab the yarn. 3 loops on the hook and pull the yarn through all 3 together. That's our first HDC. We will make 21 half double crochets in total for this first round. So again, yarn over, then through the circle space and yarn over. 3 loops on the hook and pull through all 3 together. This is our very last HDC, which is 21st. Then join this round with a slip stitch with the very first half double crochet. For the next round, make a single crochet, then 1 chain. It will count as our double crochet. Then make for more double crochet into the same stitch. So in total 5 DC into the same stitch. Now make 6 chains. Then flip the work to the wrong side. Then join these chains with a slip stitch with the very first double crochet. After the slip stitch, make 1 chain. Then turn the work around to the right side. Then make 7 single crochets into the shown chain space. Then make a slip stitch with the 5th double crochet as shown. That's our first kind of flower pattern. We will be making 7 of these in total for this pattern. Then skip 2 stitches from the first round. Undo till the 3rd one, repeat the same pattern. So 5 double crochets into the same stitch, then 6 chains. turn around and make 1 slip stitch with the first DC and 1 chain. Again, turn around so you have the right side facing you. Make 7 single crochets and join with a slip stitch with the 5th double crochet. Now skip 2 stitches for the round 1 and into the 3rd stitch. Repeat the pattern. Repeat the pattern 5 more times. And I will see you with the 7th pattern. So let's finish the 7th pattern with a slip stitch with the double crochet. Then join this last round with a slip stitch with the very first pattern. Then 1 chain and cut the yarn. Then let's make this last ribbon bow with the yarn. I am using 2 strand yarn. If you like, you can use the single one as well. Cut some extra yarn, thread the needle. Then just go in and out with the needle from the first round. I am using the same spaces where I made clusters of 5 DC. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for the support. So just go in and out with the needle. Then make a bow. Cut the extra yarn dot, weave in all the ends.